Hey Instagrammers, if you opened your DMs only to find that the message option has completely disappeared, don't panic. This is actually a common issue, and today I'll show you a few simple fixes to bring that message option back. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to ensure you're running the latest version of Instagram. Sometimes the messaging options can get restricted. Try switching to a personal account by going to Settings, then Account, and selecting Switch Account Type. You can switch back later, but this is a good way to troubleshoot the issue. Another possible reason is that your account might be in restricted mode, which can hide certain features. Head to Settings, tap Privacy, and make sure you don't have restrictions turned on for messages. If nothing has worked so far, try logging out of Instagram and logging back in. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Logout. After a minute, log back in and check if the message option has returned. As the last step, if all else fails, uninstall Instagram from your phone and then reinstall it from the Play Store. Reinstalling can clear any corrupted files that might be causing the issue. Just go to Google Play Store and search for Instagram app, then install it. After following these steps, you should see the message option back in your Instagram app. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more quick fixes like this. And as always, feel free to leave any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.